how to use Gumroad to create your very own website and start selling your digital products. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Gumroad and going over all its features and tools and telling you how to use it. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to this website called Gumroad.com. And once you're over here, as you can see, it's a pretty cool looking site. And what you want to do over here is just simply sign up. So to sign up, all you have to do is just simply click on Start Selling button over here at the top right corner or over here in the middle. Simply click on Start Selling, and over here all you have to do is just simply sign up. So to create an account, you can either enter in your email address and password and then just simply click on Create an Account, or you can connect with your Twitter account or Facebook account. I recommend either connecting with Twitter or Facebook because it is a lot easier and it saves quite a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and create my account and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Now, as you can see over here, sorry, that username is already taken, so we have to enter in a new username for our website. So as you can see over here, we're going to enter in our username.gumroad.com. That is going to be our website. And then down below, we can enter in our name, our bio, we can enter in our community, country, and then just simply click on go to homepage. So let's go ahead and create our username, and then we can move on to the next step. So once you have done that, as you can see over here, you have to publish your first product. So you can click on the classic Start Selling Today, pre-order, or membership. And then down below, you have to enter in the name of your product. You have to enter in the price, and then we can click on next to customize our products. And over here on the left side, we have a couple of different options such as profile, audience, we have post, analytics, payouts, affiliates, invites, discover, library, and many more. But for now, we're going to stick with this option right here where we are creating our first product. So go ahead and enter in the name of your product. So I'm simply going to write testing, and then down below we have to enter in our price, which has to be at minimum of $5. So let's go ahead and enter $6. And now once we have done that, let's just click on next to customize. But before we customize, you can also customize your profile if you're not ready to sell yet and you want to build a following. But for now, let's go ahead and click on next. So over here, as you can see, we are creating our first product. So we are naming the product over here. We are describing our product. Then we have to enter in the thumbnails of the product. And then we have to choose a file, an image or video. And then down below, we want a call to action as well. So I want this, buy this, or pay. So let's just keep it, I want this. And then down below, you can enter in a summary of the product. You can basically write what the customer will get, what that product is, what it does, and stuff like that. And then you can add in additional details such as features about the product that can help customers to decide whether to buy the product or not. And then down below you have content. So over here you can upload the files, basically redirect a URL of the purchase over here. And then you have pricings, and then you have versions of it as well. So if you offer other variants of this product, such as you offer a limited edition product or in a different color or in a, a lot more features or a more premium version of the product, then you can go ahead and add them over there as well. And then down below you have settings, so you can either limit the product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, and publicly show the number of sales on your products, or you can generate a unique license key per sale, mark a product as e-publications for VAT purposes. And then down below you can add different tags to the product so that it is much more easier for people to find out about it. So let's go ahead and add these details. So in the description box, I'm just simply going to write this is a test product. And then for the thumbnail, let me just go ahead and upload the thumbnail of the product. So this is the product that I've chosen. Now this isn't a product that I created personally, like I just took it off the internet for the sake of this video so that you guys can understand how you can do that. So if you already have an image or a video of the product, you can go ahead and choose the file to upload those images or videos. Or if you already have a video of it online, then you can go ahead and upload an external website link. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the link. I've just pasted this link over here, as you can see, and then I'm going to click on next. So over here, this is the product over here. As you can see, this is the image, and then down below you can add in more videos or images if you want, and then you can enter in the summary, basically to tell the clients what you're going to get, as I said before. And then you can add in more details and contents about the file or whatnot. So I'm going to keep it like this. You can add in more details to make your product look more fancy and more pleasing to the naked eye so that people are willing to buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save changes. So the changes has been saved, and now I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the checkout section over here. So in the checkout section, you can add in a discount code, you can add in a payment form over here. So right now its full name field will be shown when it will increase conversation. You can add in full name field will always be shown, or full name field will never be shown. So let's just keep it like this. And then down below, shipment is required or shipment is not required. You can either add in a shipment information or not. So I'm gonna keep it not required. And then down below, you can add in additional fields such as enter in the placeholder or the option as well. So optional right here. And you can add a custom field as well. So basically what that means is that you can add in a custom field, such as people want, like if you want to subscribe to our website, or sign up onto our website or stuff like that. Like you can add that as well. Like let's just say for phone number, let's just say that people want to give a phone number as well. So I added phone number. This is going to be our optional field. So over here, as you can see over here on the right side, this is how it is going to look like. So over here you will have your email address, and then down below you will have your phone number, and then down below you will have your card number and expiry date and stuff like that. And then down below you can add in more buttons as well, and then you can add a thank you note for buying the product. I just write thanks for buying. That's basically it. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and move on to the next step, which is called, but before we do that, we have to publish this product. So let's just go ahead and click on publish. But before we publish that, let me just go back and check out all the things that I've added and see if everything is correct. So over here, as you can see, so we have to enter in our file as well. So content, so we can enter in a file that, or we can redirect to a URL after purchase. So over here, let me just go ahead and add this link as well. So as you can see, this is the link that I added. Whenever someone will, after they've bought the profile, they are going to be taken over to this video. So that will be able to this video that is going to show them how the product basically works. And then once you have done that, just simply click on publish. So as you can see, I have to confirm my email address before I do that. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. And so that is how it basically is, guys. That is how you create your own products. So then now that we have created a product, now we can move on to the second part of this video, which is called editing your website. So when you sign up onto Gumroad, you will already have your website created. Like this is how it is going to look like. As you can see, it's really simple. It's nothing else going on over here. So you have your products, you have your name of your website, and then you have your colors over here. So what you can do is you can go ahead and change that up as well. So if you click on over here on the style, so as you can see, we have a highlighter color over here. Now we can change the highlight color anything we want. So we can change it to whatever we want. So let's just keep it blue. Okay. So, and then we have custom CSS, so we can add that as well. And then we have profile pictures that we can pull from either Twitter, or we can upload our very own profile pictures. Now this profile picture that you are seeing is my Twitter profile picture, as you can see, because I connected it to my Twitter account. So all the information is over here from my Twitter. And then you have connections, so you can connect your Twitter account or Facebook account. So I've already connected Twitter when I was signing up. And then you have the follow form. So you can share your follow page and grow your audience without setting up a website. So you can either copy the URL and then you can share it over to your timeline so that people can go ahead and click on it and they will be redirected to over here. Or you can embed this code over onto other websites that you have, such as WordPress or stuff like that. You can download the Gumroad extension, and that is basically it. It will do everything for you. And then you have products. So over here you will have the product details, so you can sort your product by either featured, newest, highest rated, most reviewed, price low to high, or price high to low, whichever one you want. And then that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose it to featured. And as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really easy. And once you have edited your website, just simply click on save, and that is basically it, guys. That is how you create your product and upload it over onto Gumroad, and how you can upload it onto your website using Gumroad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.